Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to talk about money paradox. I've heard this from a book called A Million Dollar Weekend. Oh no. Ah, oh god, I forgot the book name, but uh the book talks about money paradox. So in order you want to go to rich, let's say you are on this point, you want to go to be a rich person, like let's say a self-made billionaire, self-made millionaire, you have to have money to get rich. That's the way you have to reach. That's why people who got rich become richer and then the poor become poorer, because when you at certain level you have let's say amount of money, let's say 2 million, maybe 2 million amount of $2 million of money, that will be as easier for you to make yourself richer than your status or your current position on that point. Differently, if we conversely, if you look, let's say we compare people who has, let's say the A has, let's say only 5k, and then B has 1 million dollars, which one is more likely easier to become richer? Of course the B, because money is one of many things that make us easier to become rich. As simple as, because if you have more money, you could do, let's say you could lend your money, you could build a new business, you could afford something that poor people couldn't afford, for enrich your wealth, such as very high seminar, and then very good connection, and then gala dinner for very good businessmen, and so on and so on. That's why this is it called money paradox. In order you want to become rich, you need to money. It's just like egg and chicken, you know. If you want to get rich, you have to have money. I don't have money. How I become rich? How come I become a rich person if I don't have money? And so become looping between money and rich. So that's why I think most of the case businessmen lend money from the bank, but you have to know, and then maybe of course you already realize that which one more profitable, the bank that borrow you money or you that lend money from the bank. Of course the bank. Simple, because money will makes you more rich or richer, more easier. Thank you. That's only my thoughts. Please put on the comment below if you disagree with me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.